Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno7 Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. Here system settings, then tap on the screen recording, and you'll see here the sound section was the record system sounds and microphone sound switchers. Just to use system sounds in your screen recording, click once on the switcher. Also you can comment something with the microphone, so just click here on the switcher to activate it. You can use those two features together, so you can use the microphone and to record system sounds, the media, media sounds, ringtones, just the notifications from different applications. Also you can just use them separately, or if you want to just record the mute video, just you should turn off them together. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.